once upon a time, I filmed a video in the car. This looks really bad that I'm not holding the steering wheel. Okay, go ahead. Once upon a time, I filmed a video in the car a few days ago, and I sat down to edit it and realized that if you film while you're driving, you cannot actually hear or understand anything that you say if you don't have a microphone close to your mouth. Having the phone on the dashboard does in fact make it so that nothing is able to be heard. So today I am in a parking lot driving much slower than on the main road, and I also have an AirPod in, so hopefully you can actually hear what I am saying. I'm currently dropping off donations at Goodwill, but I just wanted to intro this video by saying everything that you missed in the car when I was driving the last time was that I was running groceries solo without the kids. But the TLDR was in an egg shortage. I was looking for some eggs. I was hopeful that Publix would have some eggs. So, roll clip. I'm in Florida and our biggest grocery store here is Publix. So I'm hoping if anyone is stocking eggs regularly, it's going to be Publix. I need to go to Aldi for my like normal groceries. I need to go to Target literally just to get milk. And then I also need to go to our wholesale place for butter. And there's one other thing that I needed from there, and I don't remember what it was. I'll have to look on the app and see what it was. So that's what I'm gonna do. Possibly see what else is on sale at Publix this week, and also pray for some eggs. And then we will head to Aldi next. Okay, so I'm at Goodwill. I'm gonna go in and see what I can find. The last time I was here, like a week ago maybe, I got the first like 5 books in the Dogman series, hardback. They looked like they'd been read once. They were like practically brand new condition for 50 cents each. So I'm gonna go see what the kids book section has, and then maybe browse. Listen, I went to Goodwill yesterday in a different city and I ended up spending like 30 bucks. So I would like to try to not. I'm kind of on a no buy challenge for the year. I'm trying really hard to save money. We've got a couple trips that we want to do this year. So I'm really trying to save up for other things and not do like BS shopping trips. So I'm going to try to limit it to just books today and not get anything excessive. So that's the plan. That's what I'm doing. Here is what I ended up getting from Goodwill. I got a couple of Franklin books. It looked like some teacher was like donating her entire classroom library, because these are very nostalgic of like my childhood. Got a couple of Clifford books, a Magic School Bus book, and How to Catch a Unicorn, which is like a newer popular one, but these ones are all very reminiscent of like what was probably in my childhood classroom library. And then I have no idea if this is from like a show or a movie, or it's just like a little one-off toy, but it's so cute, and I thought it would be the perfect size for my almost 2-year-old to play with, because actual Polly Pockets, which I conveniently have right here, you can see the size of these compared to like an actual Polly Pocket doll. They're just a little bit bigger and a little bit more like toddler friendly. The swings and stuff are a little bit bigger for a toddler to play with than these. Let me see if I can find one. Than these like teensy tiny little Polly Pocket swings. You can kind of see the difference size-wise there. So this comes with a few little animal friends. These are so dang cute. I think there's one more maybe somewhere, but they were playing with these with Play-Doh earlier, so they're kind of scattered, but they've been having great times with this toy since I grabbed it. And I think it was like $3.99. Yeah, this was $3.99. So I couldn't pass this up. It was in great condition, super cute. I loved the little animal figurines, and all three of my girls have been enjoying this very much. So there's my Goodwill haul.
And we work together.
Here is a little library book haul. I got this book on the pyramids that I'm really excited about. We're studying ancient Egypt right now, so that will be perfect. One of the girls picked this Snow Day for Groot book, and then I needed the sixth Dogman book, and they only had the seventh one, so I think I'm gonna order book 6, and I checked out book 7 for when she finishes book 6. And then I got her a bunch of other similar type of graphic novel books. So we've got the Cat and Cat Adventures, Cookie and Broccoli Investigators, and this Dragon Kingdom of Renly. I really want her to get into these because they look so cute, so good. So I really hope that she will like this one. And then I like to rent DVDs. I have a little like $60 DVD player in the car, and we love putting DVDs in the car for long drives. So we got Paw Patrol Aqua Pups, Snow White Jungle Book, Cowgirl Dora, and Pocahontas this time. This is a really great way that I can introduce them to like the older Disney movies that they wouldn't necessarily sit through at home, but in the car, they're trapped with nothing else to do, so they'll actually sit and watch them. So I got Snow White and Jungle Book and Pocahontas this time. They've seen Pocahontas before. They haven't seen Snow White since they were like toddlers, and then they've never seen the Jungle Book. So that is the library haul for this time around.